Today, we're diving into 20 brilliant garden inventions that take your backyard game to a whole new level. Whether you're a casual plant parent or a full-blown garden guru, these tools and tech will blow your mind and make your life way easier. From smart watering systems to space-saving hacks, you won't believe Order 15. Let's get into it. Infaco is revolutionizing electric pruning shears with their all-new hands-free safety technology. After half a decade of R&D and on-site testing, they've introduced an ingenious solution. The system includes two parts: a receiver that installs into the pruner itself, like the Infaco F320, and a transmitter placed inside a glove. The magic happens when your hand comes too close to the blades. The pruner automatically opens and stays that way until your hand moves away. Infaco claims it even works with older shear models. For vineyard workers, this could be a major leap forward in job site safety. Tired of running back and forth while working large plots of land? The Chariot is designed to help. It's a three-wheeled work vehicle with a 10-horsepower engine built for productivity. But wait, where's the steering wheel? There isn't. 1. You control the direction with your feet, freeing up your hands for yard work on the move. It can hit speeds up to 11 km/h and makes tasks like mowing, cleaning, or trimming a breeze. Businesses using it report efficiency gains of up to 30%. And let's face it, it's a lot more fun than walking. Pricing hasn't been officially listed yet. Inspired by A.N.T's strength and efficiency, the A.N.T is a wearable pulling system that lets you haul serious loads with minimal strain. Strap it on, hook up the cargo, and start moving dirt, debris, snow, or even heavy materials like gravel. In testing, one user towed 181 kilo, and the setup can handle much more. The carabiners are rated for 306 kilo, and the straps up to 500 kilo. A big advantage? You walk forward, not backward, so there's less chance of slipping, tripping, or injury. Starting at just $60, it's a practical and affordable tool. Beuta's modular garden blocks are another clever innovation. Built from lightweight recycled polyethylene, or polyester, these 1.2-meter blocks are so light you can carry one with a single hand. Installation is simple. Just line them up and tap into place with a hammer. The end result closely mimics natural stone, and you can arrange them in custom shapes like circles with multiple segments. For detailed finishes, extender bricks are sold separately. Best of all, each block contains 25 to 30% recycled content, making your garden project both stylish and eco-friendly. Price per standard block? $25. Meet Flame King, a line of propane torches built to destroy weeds with raw heat. One of the most powerful in the lineup, the Flame King 1, dishes out a jaw-dropping 1 million BTUs. That's more than 1 billion joules of firepower. It hooks up seamlessly to regular propane tanks and ships fully assembled with a 5-meter hose, so you're good to go straight out of the box. But it's not just for burning weeds. This beast can strip paint, thaw frozen surfaces, and even handle roofing repairs. Whether you're doing yard cleanup or tackling tougher jobs, it's a seriously versatile tool, all for just $70. Next up, the AeroBroom, a smart hybrid that combines a broom and an air blower in one lightweight tool. Cleaning up indoors or out is quicker and easier, especially in tight spots or around obstacles like furniture and vehicles. A full charge gives you up to 30 minutes of cleaning power. Weighing just 900 grams, it's easy to handle and store, and the bristles are soft enough for delicate floors like tile and laminate. Plus, the dual-speed blower lets you choose between gentle air for dust or stronger blasts for debris. At $60, it's a compact solution to big messes. Gardena's cordless AquaBrush is changing the game for outdoor cleaning. Designed for use on patios, decks, fences, and more, this tool runs up to 56 minutes per battery cycle. It may weigh 5.6 kilograms, but the dual-handle design ensures it stays comfortable to use even during long cleaning sessions. Its modular build means you can attach special heads and extenders to suit vertical or horizontal surfaces. Best of all, it's powered by the Power for All battery system, making it cross-compatible with over 100 tools from various home and garden brands. Priced at $233, it's a premium option with serious versatility. Say hello to the powerhouse mulch shears from SuperHandy, a real champion when it comes to garden cleanup. Equipped with a 7-horsepower gas engine, this machine chews through branches up to 76 millimeters thick and reduces yard waste with a 15.1 mulching ratio. Weighing in at 38 kilograms, it's surprisingly compact for such a workhorse, and it's priced at $500. But every hero needs a sidekick. For lighter tasks, like twigs and dry leaves, there's a smaller version that slices through material up to 13 millimeters. Thick with 3 fast-spinning blades at 4,100 RPM, and it can be yours for $280. Relax in style with the Suncast AdironDack glider, a sleek blend of steel frame and wood-look resin built for outdoor comfort. Its weatherproof, UV-resistant build means it'll last through the seasons, even by the coast. The smooth glide action means no jerky starts, and the fold-down center console includes spots for your phone and drinks. It's sturdy enough to support up to 227 kilos, so you can kick back with a buddy. Just make sure you've got $560 to make it yours. Looking for a hose cart that does more? Check out Giraffe Tools Reel Cart, priced at $200. It features heavy-duty alloy wheels, stainless steel framing, and can carry up to 61 meters of 12.7 millimeters hose. Built to be stable and portable at 16 Kalanian, it even comes with a basket for tools and accessories. Need a bigger version? Their 4-wheel cart holds up to 91 meters of 16 millimeters hose and costs around the same. Urban gardeners, meet Popup Garden, a creative solution for small space planting. Ideal for balconies and sunny terraces, these modular planters work best with at least 6 hours of sunlight. The Popup Garden Essential serves as a flexible frame for both big pots and seed trays. Made from durable plastic, it's light at just 2 kilos and resists mold and pests. Here's the twist. You can even grow plants upside down, boosting yield by up to 245% compared to standard containers. The base version starts at $100, with options to add features like drip watering systems. Got a compact yard? Take a look at the Ryobi P2160 VNM, a 3-in-1 gardening machine that's a lawn mower, trimmer, and edger all in one. It uses 1.7 or 2 millimeter line and has 4 mowing heights from 38 millimeter. Switching modes is easy. Just detach the wheel guide and press a button. It comes with a 4.0 Ah battery and charger, and it's part of the Ryobi One Plus 18V lineup, which includes over 300 compatible tools. For $299, it's a smart buy for Ryobi fans and small garden owners alike. The Nestera Coop brings smart design to chicken keeping, whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a seasoned breeder. Built from recycled plastic, it's far easier to maintain than traditional wooden coops. You can hose it down in about 10 minutes. It's also tougher against predators. The standard version holds 5 hens, while the premium one fits up to 15. Optional add-ons include a solar-powered automatic door, a Wi-Fi camera for remote monitoring, and modular upgrades to expand the setup over time. Backed by a 25-year warranty, Nesta makes poultry care both convenient and comfortable. Starting at $379. Zalie might look like a designer tiny home, but it's actually a luxury greenhouse with a price tag of $3,000 for an 8-meter standy footprint. What justifies the price? It's crafted from industrial-grade polycarbonate panels that retain heat 30% better than most greenhouse materials. Its reinforced structure can handle up to 218 kilograms of weight and withstand high winds up to 45 meters per second when secured properly. On top of that, it includes a temperature-responsive ventilation system for hands-free climate control. The Ryobi One Plus 18-volt is a lightweight spreader that handles everything from grass seed and fertilizer to animal feed and even pest control granules. Its 4-liter open hopper makes it easy to check levels and refill quickly. You can also adjust the spread speed with a max range of 3.5 meters. It costs only $69. Although you'll need to purchase the 18V1 Plus battery separately. A battery with at least 2.5 Ah capacity will keep it running for up to 3 hours, and the whole unit weighs just 1.9 kilo, making one-handed operation a breeze. H2O.Wise is innovating eco-conscious irrigation. And one of their standout products is the water well. While it looks like a simple plastic ring, it's engineered to be highly effective for home gardens and agricultural use. The largest version has a 64 centimeter diameter and delivers up to 57 liters per hour, and it can be easily adapted for drip irrigation. Made from recycled materials, Waterwell also supports reforestation initiatives, with a portion of sales funding tree planting. At $229, it's a smart investment in both water efficiency and sustainability. Lavex hand washing stations are perfect for events like music festivals, or even just for use on your porch. The basic model holds 61 liters of clean water and 62 liters of dirty water. It comes with a 904G soap dispenser and a section for 400 paper towels. The foot-operated pump makes it both convenient and hygienic. Weighing 23 kilos, it's easy to move around thanks to its wheels. However, the price might make you pause. It costs $420, and that's not even the most expensive model. Introducing PetSafe Outdoor Bark Control, a clever device that looks like a birdhouse but packs a powerful secret. When it detects barking, it emits an ultrasonic sound that's harmless to humans, but unpleasant for dogs, encouraging them to quiet down. Once the barking stops, the device returns to standby mode. With an effective range of 15 meters, it runs on a single 9-volt battery that can last up to 2 months, plus it's weather-resistant, handling both rain and cold. This model is priced at $75, but there's also a more advanced version with a built-in timer and a cheaper option with a shorter range of about 7, 1, and 2 meters. Ever seen a chainsaw like this? Meet the Bow Chainsaw. Designed for tackling unusual angles or logs on the ground that you can't lift. The Poulan 3700 model was produced from 1980 to 1983, but many are still in use today. These chainsaws feature a single-cylinder engine with a displacement of 61 cc and a bar length of 76 cm. You can find a used Poulan 3700 for sale for around $225. Feeling the heat with today's scorching prices? It's time to chill out with some misting systems. You've got options ranging from simple and affordable to complex and high-end. For a quick and easy solution, consider the Orbit 2066 starting at just $20. It sets up in only 10 minutes and is perfect for cooling off under an umbrella by the pool. But if you're looking for a serious cooling setup, Mistcooling offers a premium system starting at $2,140. It comes with up to 60 spray nozzles and can cover an area up to 104 square meters. Plus it features a commercial-grade filter that catches particles as small as 5 microns. And there you have it, 20 next-level inventions that can seriously upgrade your garden game. Which one was your favorite? Or do you already use one of these clever tools? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep growing smart.